How to go viral on TikTok as a beginner. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is pick one specific niche. So if you are trying to post something about food or some food related content, then only post a quick recipes or post high quality food content. Do not keep posting random topics. Just focus on a single theme for your TikTok account. This trains the algorithm on exactly who your target audience is. So after doing that, the second tip that I recommend you guys doing is record at least 1080p with a good lighting. Do not record using TikTok camera app. Try to use your phone's native camera app at 1080p at around 60 fps under strong, clear lighting. Keep wiping your camera off if you have something in it so that it will be more clear and the quality is better. So the third thing that I recommend you guys doing is place a visual hook for the first 3 seconds, meaning that add a bold, clear text title on the screen instantly. So for example, you can write something like the turkey sandwich recipe you never know you needed. Something like that. That would eventually catch the attention of your audience. So after doing that, the fourth thing that I recommend you guys doing is cut out every frame of dead air. So meaning that import your footage into an editor or trim out long pauses, breaths or filler words. Simply try to edit your videos or photos so that the pacing must be fast and engaging to keep watch time high. So for the fifth one, I recommend you guys add a very trending audio and native captions. Upload the video to TikTok app and tap on the sound and select a trending audio track. Lower its volume to about 5 to 10% if you are speaking, and use TikTok's auto caption tool so that the users can read along. So for the last one I recommend you guys doing is write an SEO caption and tag smartly. So what you can do is write about 1 to 2 sentence description using keywords that people would only type into a search bar. So like I said, the turkey sandwich recipe that you never knew you needed, something like that, so that the phrase would be catchy and viewers would actually search on their search bar. Add about 3 to 5 relevant hashtags, a mix of 2 board tags like hashtag food, hashtag recipe, or something like 3 specific hashtags that are only relevant to your content. So after following all of these tips, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to make your TikTok video go viral. And that's it.